Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm doing Elemental Battlegrounds again, and I will decimate all souls of determination using their own power. I'm just kidding, I did that last time. In fact, I did it twice. I'm gonna be using slime against the noobs here, and the reason I'm doing it against the noobs is because the pros already know how it works. So if people are left surprised by my weak status, yet still using the most powerful of abilities, they're doomed. And with that being said, let's just do this already. This also functions as a shield. I take less damage while this is active. Smart idea. Run directly at the ultimate. Hey, that hurt. You're dead. I don't know how this will play out. Hey. Yeah, that's a smart plan. Run directly at me, where I have a good opportunity to shoot you. That always gets them to run away, I swear. Yeah, but this is fun. I still enjoy this game, even after I have everything. Ah, dang. Oh, I almost got her into some trouble. Alright, now I need to show off the slime shield, which I never managed to do in my previous videos. Hold still. Oh yeah, see? Ow. That hurt. Come on. Huh. And there's both an air ult and a fire ult. I'm not sure if people are on teams here, but this is going well so far. I intend to do this without dying. Just because I have everything doesn't mean I am a full-on pro. Alright, you should know that. He shot at me, and his bullets just turned against him. That's funny to do. Your health is mine now. Thank you. My render distance, my render view. I keep using Minecraft terms. Okay, someone was shooting directly at me. Should have seen that coming. Nope. I want nothing to do with that. Hey, alright. I think I'm gonna go all out on the slime ultimate again. I'm not sure if I should, though. Yeah, let's do it. Loop, loop. That's a satisfying sound to listen to. Alright. Come on. Shoot me. No? Okay, don't shoot me. You're still on the ground. You were about to use a crystal heal. Hey. I saw that. Bloop. Alright, come on. Shoot me. Shoot me. No. I want people to shoot me with the slime shield. I do it all the time off camera. Why can't I do it? I mean, I did it just a little bit. Like, I'm pretty sure someone's grass or crystal shooting me. Did you know that the slime shield can actually deflect an entire grass ult? That's right. Grass is a waste against that move. In fact, the grass ultimate is also a waste against the gravity shield. The reason why is the grass ultimate is a projectile. Well, it's 3 projectiles, and the shield turns projectiles into slimes, and the gravity shield, well, the gravity shield just bounces it away. So, it's kind of indigenous. No. Alright. Are you gonna shoot me? You, shoot me. Yeah, good plan. Shoot directly at me. Then again, that's what I wanted. Just being chased by your own element. Like, what? How? How are they shooting me? I shot at them, and it didn't work. That's just how I imagine they feel. Then again, this is a game. I wouldn't imagine them to panic over that. You cannot escape me. This is fun. Oh man. What should I do next? Probably illusion. Hey. No, dang it, my cooldown on my shield. Can you shoot me again with the fireballs, please? No, is he ignoring me? Hello? Okay. Well, I didn't see that coming. Shoot me again. Shoot me again. Come on, shoot me. Death by your own element. Yo! Yes! Yo! You are dead! What? Magic! Ow! Oh, come on. That shield needed to last just a little bit longer. Ay. This is bad, man. I heard a noof. I'm not gonna run into the safe zone because as much as I need to recharge all of my status, I'm not just gonna sit there and wait, make you guys bored. Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Sometimes larger projectiles, when hitting the slime shield, turn into smaller projectiles. I apparently did not get that guy. And I didn't get you either. Meh. So easy to fight lagging players. Die. There's no mercy here. Yeah, now there's a few glitches, like sometimes when you try to do the flip, it doesn't flip, and it just wastes your stamina. You cannot escape me. Ah ha ha ha. What? Oh. I wanted to get shot. Hey, shoot me. Well, I mean, that still worked, but what I like about the slime shield is it reduces damage. Come on, shoot me again. No, shoot me again. Hello? Do you even care? Okay. Oh, he just left. Splat. Ha 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 ha. Alright, you. Yes, you. Shoot me. All your efforts to shoot directly at me. Ooh, that worked. No, you missed. Dang it. Nope. Come on. Slime in itself is a combo, and I normally don't use combos. I like to go all out on elements. Except of course when grinding. That's when I use combos. And because I have everything, what's the point? Let's go all out on everything, even if I die. So I think I'm gonna finish it off here by using the slime ultimate. Splat. Alright. Oh, there's a gem there. I don't need gems because I'll probably be able to afford the next element. So, I just collect them anyways, just because I can. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up. So, thank you so much for watching. I have decimated more and more players than I can count. I'm sorry, the Nuko thing was last time. I should have voiced Nuko when recording that instead of just going silent. Technically, no, I cut out my audio, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.